pulls it with all of his might. His nose goes tickle, tickle. Uh-oh, it's gonna be a pickle. Achoo! Tomy sneeze goes whoosh and boom, filling up the whole darn room. Max is spinning, what a sight! Hoo boy, what a funny flight!
Look at this pretty flower. Here, you can smell it too.